This lesson is on the attributes of two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are shapes that are flat. They're not solid, they don't have any depth to them. It's almost like you just drew them on a piece of paper and they're completely flat. And attributes are the characteristics or the things that we notice about these shapes. So let's first talk about the shapes we're going to go over, and then we'll talk about their attributes. Today we're going to talk about a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a circle, a hexagon, a pentagon, and a trapezoid. Let's talk about the triangle first. And we're going to talk about how many sides they have and how many vertices they have. Let's start with the sides first because that's a little bit easier. Sides on a triangle would be right here. That would be one of the sides. We have another side here, and then we have a third side here. So we have three sides on a triangle. The vertices are just the corners where the two sides meet. So we have a vertex here because that's where this line and this line or side meet. We have a vertex here and we have a vertex here. The triangle has three vertices and three sides. Now let's take a look at a square. Let's count up the sides first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And let's count up our vertices or our corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the corners where the two sides meet. Now let's take a look at a rectangle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Now let's look at a circle. Well, I don't see any sides at all because sides are straight. So a circle has 0 sides. And because there are 0 sides, there has to be 0 vertices because there is no corner where the two sides are going to meet. Now let's take a look at a hexagon. A hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And you have to be careful when you count up the vertices because you have to look really closely. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. Now let's take a look at a pentagon. A pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. The last shape that we're going to talk about today is a trapezoid. A trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. That concludes our lesson today on two-dimensional shapes.